This video is on different wireless authentication methods. There are 3 authentication methods for Wi-Fi: pre-shared key, enterprise, and open. Pre-shared key is pretty much a shared password to access the Wi-Fi. This method is commonly used for home and small offices. But this method is problematic for businesses because each time an employee leaves the company, the password must be replaced, because the former employee could still connect to the Wi-Fi. Then we have enterprise method, also called WPA 802.1x mode, which authenticates to Wi-Fi by using different identities instead of a single password. Identity could be things like user and password, or it could be a digital certificate. This authentication method is better suited for enterprise networks and provides much better security for Wi-Fi. It typically requires a radius authentication server as well as configuration process to different repositories, enabling the organization to authenticate different types of endpoints. The underlying protocols to secure the authentication vary between different EAP, such as EAP TTLS, EAP TLS, EAP PEEP, and so forth, each one representing a different type of authentication method and level of security. Then we have open, which is pretty much no authentication. It's just an open network, allows access to all. Open networks are not encrypted, and so everything transmitted can be seen by anyone in its vicinity. WPS Wi-Fi Protected Setup is a tool that was made to make it easier for people to authenticate themselves. This helps users add devices to their Wi-Fi networks. There are 2 primary approaches to network setup within Wi-Fi Protected Setup: push button and pin. Pin is where you type in shorter codes instead of a password. Push button allows you to just push a button to connect devices within its proximity without entering the password. You can also use a captive portal, which is a web page accessed with the web browser that is displayed to newly connected users of a Wi-Fi before they are granted broader access to the network resources. Most of the time, this is used at small businesses.